Hello and welcome to this meditation. This is a quick breathing technique for easy relaxation. It can be completed anywhere at any time of the day. So, finding somewhere comfortable to sit or stand, or lie down, whatever feels right for you. If you're completing this at work, it can be helpful to find somewhere that you won't be interrupted. Using headphones might be helpful. So, beginning this meditation, I want you to gently allow your eyes to close or lower your gaze, whatever feels comfortable for you today. And we're just going to be beginning to develop that awareness of the breath. Now we breathe all of the time. And when we feel anxious, we breathe faster. So just being able to check in with the body and the breath can give you a good idea of what's happening in the body. And when you notice that the breath feels faster, or you notice that you just feel anxious, take in a little bit of time to sit still or just be still. Notice that breath can be really helpful. So as you're noticing your breath moving in and out through your body, try breathing in and out through your nose if possible. It's okay if you can't do this. But when we breathe in and out through the nose, it really helps to slow the breath down. And as you are breathing in this way, I want you to breathe deep into your belly. This is known as the belly breath technique. Breathe deeply into your belly. So, trying to fill your belly with the breath so it expands like a balloon. Now, this isn't an easy practice to do. Some people find that with time, this comes easier. One of the things you can do to help direct that breath down or help you become aware of what's happening is to place a hand on your chest and one hand on your belly. And as you breathe in and you move that breath down deep into your belly, you should notice that the hand on your belly begins to move up and down with the breath. And the hand on your chest doesn't move very much. I want you just to continue directing that breath down into your belly for a few moments now. Accepting whatever's happening. Trying to stay focused. Bringing your awareness back every time your mind wanders around. Then letting go of that breath. Bringing your awareness to sounds that you can hear all around you. And if you're wearing headphones, just listen to the sound of my voice and the noises within this recording. Beginning to gently move the body. Taking a deep breath in. Releasing the breath all the way out. And gently opening the eyes. Thank you very much for joining me today during that belly breath meditation. I hope you found that technique helpful. Again, it's a technique that you can choose to do anywhere, anytime. You just need a little bit of time to find a small moment of calm. So have a wonderful day, whatever it is you're doing, and try to take some of that relaxation into the day with you.